As known, celery has high levels of vitamin K and enough amounts of vitamin A, vitamins B2 and B6, and vitamin C, also an excellent source of the following nutrients: folate, potassium, manganese, pantothenic acid, dietary fiber. The health drink, consuming only 16 oz of fresh celery juice a day, can transform our health and digestion in as little as only 1 week. Celery juice is an alkalizing, enzyme-rich, electrolyte-enhancing, liver-repairing, blood sugar balancing, antiseptic, strongly alkaline and anti-inflammatory drink. It's quite impressive how the effects come up instantly after 5 days of drinking on empty stomach, such as skin health, help our bodies produce collagen, and helps lose weight. Here are the main benefits of this daily habit. 1. Antioxidants. Contains a flavonoid called apigenin, and that help to reduce toxicity while boosting immunity. 2. Hydrochloric acid. Digest things faster and more efficiently, and ability to significantly replenish depleted levels of gastric mucus that is needed in the stomach lining to heal and prevent ulcers and acid reflux. 3. Lower cholesterol. Contains a combination called 3N-butylphthalate (BU-PH) that has been reported to have lipid-lowering action, reducing the bad cholesterol (LDL) in our bloodstream. 4. Natural anti-inflammatory. Contains polyacetylene that reduces chronic joint pain, gout, and rheumatoid arthritis. Not only does it soothe the body, but it is also believed to soothe the nerves, with calming and relaxing properties. 5. Blood pressure. Helps lower high blood pressure by acting as a smooth muscle relaxant, improving the flow of calcium and potassium in cells, allowing blood vessels to expand and contract with greater ease. 6. Helps liver. Helps reduce fat buildup in the liver. The nutrients in celery protect the liver, and help the liver produce enzymes that help flush fat and toxins out. 7. Improves digestion. By increasing circulation in the intestines, getting things going and moving. It's good for constipation, bloating, puffiness and water retention, acting as a gentle, mild, natural laxative and diuretic. Please note it's really important to make the juice properly to keep all the natural benefits. Keep in mind to drink on the empty stomach. Finally, juicer or blender, then enjoy your drinking. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel.